If you use Evernote to collect ideas, research, meeting notes, or project plans, then learning how to group notes properly can make a huge difference in how fast you find things later. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to group notes in Evernote using notebooks and tags so you can keep everything organized without the chaos. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Evernote tips and productivity guides. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the most direct way to group notes in Evernote, and that is by using notebooks. Think of notebooks like folders. If you want several notes to live together under one topic, one project, or one client, putting them in the same notebook is the easiest way to organize them. To begin, open Evernote and look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Find the notebook section and click on it. This is where Evernote shows all of your existing notebooks. If you already have a notebook for a topic, you can use that. But if you want to create a brand new group, click the New Notebook option. When you create a new notebook, give it a clear name that matches the purpose of the notes. For example, you could name it Work Projects, Personal Ideas, Meeting Notes, Travel Plans, or Client Research. The more specific the notebook name is, the easier it will be to stay organized over time. Now, if you already have notes that you want to move into that group, Evernote makes that easy too. Open the note you want to move. At the top of the note, look for the More Actions button, which is usually the three-dot menu. In some versions, you may also see a notebook drop-down at the top of the note. Click that, then choose Move To. After that, select the notebook you want to move the note into. Once you do that, the note is transferred into the notebook group you chose. You can repeat this process for any other notes you want to keep together. This is a really useful method if you're organizing notes by topic, by project, or by priority. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is grouping notes with tags. This is especially useful if you don't want to move notes out of their current notebooks, but still want to connect them by theme. Tags help you filter and group notes across different notebooks, which gives you a lot more flexibility. To add a tag, open the note you want to organize. At the top of the note, click Add Tag. Then type in the name of your tag. You can use simple tags like research, invoices, ideas, recipes, or urgent. You can also use more detailed tags based on your workflow. Tags are great because one note can have more than one tag. That means a single note can belong to multiple groups at the same time. For example, a note could be tagged as a meeting, client, and follow-up all at once. That makes it much easier to find later when you need it. After you've added your tags, go to the sidebar and click Tags. From there, select the specific tag you want to browse. Evernote will show you all the notes that share that tag, which gives you a quick way to group related information without reorganizing your entire notebook structure. If you want the best results, use notebooks for broad categories and tags for finer details. So, for example, a notebook might hold all of your work notes, while tags can help you separate those notes into meetings, deadlines, brainstorming, or client tasks. That combination gives you a clean, flexible system that works really well for long-term organization. A few quick tips can make this even easier. First, keep your notebook names short and clear. Second, avoid creating too many notebooks because that can make things harder to manage. Third, use tags consistently so you don't end up with duplicates like client and clients or idea and ideas. And finally, take a few minutes each week to review your notes and make sure they're still sorted the way you want. So to recap, if you want to group notes in Evernote, you can do it by creating notebooks and moving notes into them, or by using tags to connect notes across different folders. Both methods are simple and both can help you stay much more organized. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Evernote tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more productivity tools next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.